Michael Ouma ayina ensonyi, ekirala ayambala nnyo kangalu, kwegamba ayemeramu embeera za old school but well and good. Tumuyina olunaku olwaleero. I'm excited. Nagezaako ku interviewing like 7 months ago. Naye oli muzibu wa kufuna. Truth be told, neebaza abategese sheno ono omusajja. Are you camera shy?
No, I'm a busy person.
You're a busy person?
Yeah.
Kale buuza ku batulaba tugende maaso.
Balamusiza mwena abatulaba. Yenze Michael Ouma.
Okay.
Musonyi w'endongo ndaza abantu basinga omanya.
Back then nga tukula baali bakuwadde nickname ya Uganda's Carlos Santana. Omutegedo oli gayiwa jito oli mu Mexico mu Kimuspana. Carlos Santana.
Most times abantu baatachinga ekintu wabanga kipya kuye asinzira ku kyamanyi n'akwa reference. Yes, so ndoza kye bali bagamba nti oli omuntu akuba ebintu nga ebyoli. Yes, kwe kyava.
How does it feel to be Michael Ouma?
How does it feel?
Yeah.
It's a good thing, I think. I'm very down to earth person, no moans and it's just that the addition is, as a musician, to take at a certain pedestal to in a certain light.
Okay.
Yes.
One of my favorite projects, Jawakola, Simanyi Nyinji, but Mariana or Epas.
Yes.
Walukubane kusena ku concert ye, nenda banga crowd removed. Over the stage over for many years.
Yes.
Chema, it's going to be a hard one. Which is your favorite concert you are Congo playing?
That's so kugama kwana ange kamwa kogera simanyi nkubye for a long time, and I've played at many events in Uganda and out of the country. Yes, atenga nkuba different genres, natandika nkuba traditional music. Actually, so natandikira mu church nga nkuba church music on different instruments. Nengena musomero nenjiga traditional instruments and western music theory. Kati nayingira field nembanga ndi mu world music, ndi mu traditional, ndi mu jazz, ndi mu pop, so naona mbadde. Kati mbadde mu festivals anjawulo, tubadde ku concerts anjawulo. So it's difficult for me to pick one. Although what I can say, the biggest festival je twakuba in South Africa with a band called Soulbeat Africa at the time. Yali nene nnyo kuba twakubira abantu nga mutwalo. Ate twali bato, we teenagers. Kati yo yankomako nnyo cause try to China nnyo that stage fright. Naye nga time eyo yalina tuvaamu, we had 20 minutes, ate nga tulina ozikubate tulina kwegamba. Pressure yali amaanyi, so for me it was a challenge.
Mutwalo gumwaga abantu ogumanyi.
Ng'otunula eri nga tobamalayo at the time. But it was a nice experience for me.
And how did the crowd respond?
They were excited because it was a new breed. What we were doing at the time in Soulbeat Africa, twalinamu traditional music. Nga tulinamu ne jazz, tulinamu pop, tulina reggae, naye nga tulina a lot of traditional folk songs. Zituze tukyusa abantu nga palette test gye bawulira saawa eyo. Kati ne tukubanga ebintu omuntu alinga ategedde n'atalaba instrument gy'atategedde. Then you only have 20 minutes on stage. Kati mubaleka nga kikyayokya. It was a nice experience.
30 years of jazz music in Uganda. How has the journey been?
Actually, it's 30 years of Isaiah Katuma, but jazz has been around for a while because Nedda, very long ago, the late, how do I forget his name? There's a time when Barry White and all the music were in the 60s, 40s, 50s. There was very few people that would be able to bring it into the country. Kati nga abantu abamu babayita aristocrats abagagga nga bamuwuliriza naye nga sinti buli omu amuyina. Naye kati later on people started appreciating it nga abantu batandise okuba. Kati Isaiah be bapayani abamu abatandika okugamba nti kakati si waabali bokka kamuleete n'abantu ba bulijjo balozeeko. So what we experience in this time is 30 years of Isaiah Katuma, but jazz has been around for a while, and sometimes it's very good to celebrate the people that have brought it to the forefront. Okay. Yes.
You've worked with Isaiah on many projects.
Yes.
How special is this Sunday project to you guys, to both of you?
I could say for me the greatest importance of this is first of all celebrating a legend in Ugandan jazz. Number two, it's not just about him. He's trying to bring the different other people that have been inspired by him and have been inspired by the genre and give them the forefront. Nabo basobole okubanga abantu babalaba. Yes, and then it's more about bringing katifabali mu style, you know. It's not so many opportunities that you have many people coming together and listening to them. So Babawa opportunity wait yo, and with that unity, we are seeing like it's a new chapter. My style, you know. Okay. Yes.
Michael Ouma, your favorite color seems to be black. If I'm not wrong, right?
Yeah, I think
so. Black and then okay. Yarike ya kalendala. Okumanyo yagala black no jiteka mu black.
I know ndala. Motoka is similar to the other one, but the truth is I love black.
You love black.
I love black. Yeah, black is my color.
Besides you, chiringe eri no mu band music and jazz music.
Yes.
Olaba ne waba cause set up, they always put on black. What is so special about black color?
Honestly, can't speak for the others. I like black. Black is my favorite color. Black is a universal color for me because it's easy to have other colors sit on it. You see like this guitar right now? Color yes, because black is a nice background. White there's some certain colors so very floral. We not gato no black color.
Okay. Then the kangaroo.
Kati yo yafuuka brand olaba ojogedde kansina na kugamba kiba kitegeeza nti omuntu bw'agiraba n'alaba endongo eno tasaana teetaaga na kuntegeera aba yategedde dda oyo Michael.
How many do you have in your closet?
Nyingi mpitirivu though I like the black ones though.
Esingamu ebbeeyi wagigulawa? You always travel.
Esingamu I think najigula London. Nezisinga nzifuna wona wengenze ne wengenda ku street nenda bennungi nyimiya n'engamba waayi tukoze tutyawo najimpa.
Kale Douglas Lwanga naye ayagala nnyo kangaroos omusanga azitaddeko nkutumiddeko omusajja wo wuno muyina.
Musajja wange nnyo Douglas.
Speaking about guitars, ojja bagiyita bati?
Acoustic guitar, though there's different acoustic guitars kateno ya nylon string. It's mostly played by people that play Spanish guitar, flamenco guitar, katieno.
Ya sente ngammeka? Olwoje ontera okulaba gy'okwata ng'olabira ddala ya bbe ogikutte with a lot of love ne ngamba hayiraika ya bbe
zawukana gita za njawulo kuba osobola okufuna mu Kampala muno eziriwo nga kisinzira gye bazikoledde mu mitwalo nga giijo zibaayo nibaamu ya miliyoni 2 3 4 eno wenagigulira yali mu miliyoni ndooza nga 3 in those days, but that's about 15-16 years ago.
Yali ya bay at that time.
At that time, yes. So it depends on what. That's why it's still up to now. Ngichavuga wait. Nkubi endala ogula gita n'ogikuba n'oga tone teri ngeri n'osookoddayo.
N'ogiwummuza.
Nyingi zibaawo. Nziguze ezimu n'enzigabira abalala bembadde nsomeseza endala n'okireka. N'ogamba ku stage waliwo toni yange gye nayina. N'osookoddamu n'ogamba kati yiiyo. That's the same with my other white guitar Jovadonga. Kuba nayo mbadde nayo for a while. About 16-17 years. So yeah, guitar ways it, but you see with an instrumentalist, all a certain attachment job for an instrument go quite on to gonna kutunulayo. Ate ina sound jeretanga is like your voice, it's an extension of who you are. Yeah, checho.
Alantonics kuba guitar, the same applies to Maurice Kilia. Go over the more live band music for years. Njaku sima abantu baba nakiriza nange, but of late secular music they are appreciating live music. How does it feel to you Gwabadde in that space for many years?
It's very encouraging bobanga omuntu ekintu ky'omuwa kisiima regardless of what you're doing, even if it's in any other industry gy'olimu ng'ekintu ky'oteekawo on the market.
It's appreciated.
Yes, it's appreciated. It's a very good thing for us because when people start giving more attention to live music, atandika n'okutegeera details, atandika n'okwawula kino kyekiri kiri kino kati ffe abakubi bwe tugenda mu details za performance otandika okumanya nti audience naye genda kusiima etegeera kikyogezako okukola naye luli omuntu abanga takimanyidde ne bw'oteekamu ekirungo n'oba okola ki yaaba
tuli kuki
naye kati omuntu omulaba n'ayawula nti eno trumpet ono saxophone oli ebadde percussion ono tuli ku nnanga wala eri electric guitar and acoustic guitar otegeera nti if I'm on stage and I'm looking for certain melody ngeri ku electric then nenjwa n'omunanga into your difference gye nkoze audience egenda gitegeera kuffe it's a win. So we're really happy about the new movement of live music.
Yes. Thank you very much. Michael Uma. Nina ebibuuzo byo bingi nnyo. Njagala bikubuuze byonna bigweyo olunaku olwaleero. Ku stage abantu bakulaba nga weetalatala ku stage ku concerts z'abantu.
Yes.
Besides the guitar okola mulimu ki omulala?
Kati nze ndi live music events producer in the sense that there's so many things we have been maaso ku show. First of all, ekisookera ddala is bw'oba okola rehearsal no arranging a music for the band, you have to arrange thinking about the audience. Ne music kyabakomako okusinza ku audience egenda okujja. Katogo nago mulimu. Because you've got to arrange what they're going to have. Number two, nodda mu sound. Because olina okumanya nti okusinziza ku biriwo instrument ki egenda blendinga n'eriwa. Kati bw'obeera ku stage for example nze ennaku zetukolamu sound check the 2 days before. Okukwetala okubadde ogamba okwo olina okuwuliriza n'omanya nti eno microphone tesoundinze bubi zina engoma.
Anything backfires in terms of sound?
Kati kidependinga ku portfolio omuntu gy'oba omuwadde. Because there's times we tukola events nga z'amawanga magatte. There's times when you do an event and it's 360 by one company. Kati you can't blame, for example, omuntu ali in charge of the generator. Kati kakanku example abantu bayinza otutegeera amangu.
Yes, sir.
Tuli ku mbaga. Waliwo aleeta juice. Waliwo aleeta
service providers
band.
Waliwo n'agula going kuba.
Yes, kale. Newabaawo noona omutimbi. And modern new school batimbi balina certain lights that they have as well. Sometimes moving head, power cans. Kakati ojja kwekanga nga ffenna tulaninze ku generator. Niyo omuntu yasupplyinze generator nga wanjawulo. Onfuna bulungi. If something backfires with the power, nga yatuwadde 3 phase. Owa juice alina we yajje, owa disco alina we yajje, whatever. Bw'aba nga waliwo okutaataganya ne certain output gye yawaddemu owa juice. Juice nga takyafuna power. Abantu abasinga bwe batuukawo ne balaba nga juice tanyogoze bagenda ku blaminga yaleese juice. Si bwe kiri? Naye nga the fault may be with the generator person. Kati at that instance you would have to find out where the issue was. Kyobola nkugambye nti kakati ku nsonga esu akuteesa nga saaliwo. Yes.
Okay. Kati wano kyengenda okubuuza waliwo ku show ya EPAS. Without a doubt it is one of the best produced music concerts mu Uganda. Without even fee or favor. What was your role in that concert?
Okay, so behind the scenes I had a few production elements, but that was between EPAS and myself. Just more of a consultation kind of approach. But predominantly I was a guest artist. Naina kuwamo olimba lwange. But you see, when you've done certain things over time and you see the certain gap that you need to fill, waliwo ojjanga newankwadde obadde tolina portfolio necessarily. N'ogamba naye omukulu wano waliwo ekyetaagisa from an advisory point of view. Era n'oli gw'oba okolaganya naye you have to know who you're working with, because some people take criticism positively, others negatively. Kati kweno engeri EPAS nange engeri gye tulina history of music working together, we're friends, etc. Buli kye nalabanga ndaba wano kiri kitya wali kiri kitya, but predominantly I was there as a guest. Era kyova olaba wandaba ku set awo nga nkuba Mariana nga kyekyo. Yes.
Kale, the other question is about omuntu ayagala otegeka concert. How hard is it, or how easy is it to come up with a concert nga gye walabe ya EPAS ku Serena? Kati omuntu musiigire ekifaananyi ategeere what to expect. Naye kyabatwalira bbanga ki coming up with such a script, very well baked?
Well, I would say first of all, different genres call for different modes of production. Into certain kind of music entails a lot of production and a lot of rehearsals. For example, Katinga, okay, let me just put it generally. Bobo Tegeka show, the first thing and most important thing is to understand the main act. No matter the main act, no direction. Then, if it's a live show, we've got to go to the band next. No matter band again, omukubira. Itegera capacity, ina capacity kuba music oyo. Netanika rehearsals. Now, if it's a very long playlist, like it's all over the place, mulimu reggae, mulimu jazz, mulimu pop, katumanya, you need more time and you need very versatile players. Nga una agwao. Kakati, that's in the side of production and rehearsal music. Kakati netuda kucha venue yeta agachi. Omfuna bulungi n'ogamba nti nfunye sound company or lights company stage etc. Kati n'wabawo scripting into so njagala gitandika ntya oyagala artist aveewa oyagala tandika na luyimba ki don't start the concert with a high with a low etc. eyo yona bibaamu kati n'otuula n'oyo agenda okugibringinga to life n'olaba capacity gyalina oba tagiina netudda ku costs gugwa tegugwa otegeera meaning there's so many things in play kati the problem some people have aina concept yona mu mutwe ayagala gi executingirawo gwagenda gi executinga naye talina capacity naye kenyini talina financial capacity kuba budget kibulamu otegeera kati ate ogenze kulamuza Ferrari ne budget joyina ya bicycle kati problem jobeera oyina oba togenda kituukiriza so sometimes the advice is bw'oba oyagala kusigala ng'ovuze Ferrari kati soko sinziremuko omanye nti ngenda kusavinga daily oba monthly mu myaka 15 ndibanzisobola then there's another option of saying kati bya Ferrari mbivuddeko let me settle for a certain mode of a Toyota yo ngenda gisobola mu myaka 7 niwaba n'ogamba naye kakati omanyi kyonna kyekiri nze njagala kuva ku point A paka point B nze ninamu zimpa kinti bicycle tugende
ekiriwo kye ngenda nakyo
so it depends on ekiruubirirwa ky'omuntu kyabeera alina but I think fundamentally what's very important is to give yourself time for production. Yes, because otherwise omuntu ali mu audience first of all we have to respect abantu abatuwuliriza n'omuntu atutte obudde bwe ne sente z'okujja ku show onfuna bulungi you have to give them something a take home jawulira nti there was value for my money and for my time.
Mundongo eno oluddemu you have many friends bani bogamba nti bano bambeereddewo mu thika neeru babaddewo
bangi nnyo
gwamu kubasinga emikwano.
That's why it would be a very shaky ground for me to start pinpointing one or the other because there's so many. If I start the list I have to finish it. From event service providers to artists to managers to venue owners to sponsors banji bambi bayitirivu era nemala nkola nsobi just kutandika kone goba teguggwa
n'otuwayo di concert
essaawa yonna lwaki oyagala byenkyafu mba ate nkugambe
tuwayo concert
essaawa yonna jakojja.
All right, your last remarks. Abantu bayite ku Sunday baje babeerewo nabo.
Bannaye mbakoowola mwenna gye muli abali mukunda basaawaze n'abatuwuliriza. Ku Sunday kigenda kuba
batugambye bwe bati ekigambo kimu teri budde bayi n'emboozi za booda za nkya. So batugambye.
Awangale ayisa abasajja Kabaka Ronald Muwenda Mutebi ekikoze obi mutusonyiwe.